Are you running a business but not incorporating email marketing yet? Or maybe you're just getting started with email marketing, but you don't know how to go about it and you don't want to appear salesy, selling all through your emails. Well, in this video, I'll be walking you through the exact blueprint you can use to set up an email marketing that grows your sale and also build a relationship with your subscribers. But before that, hi, I'm Olomide. I'm a direct response email copywriter who specializes in assembling emails that build relationship with your subscribers, keep you on top of mind, and eventually get you the sale. So in this channel, I'll be walking you through how you can scale your business with email marketing. So if that sounds like you're in the right place. Now, why email marketing? Let's look at the statistics from Optimus about the return on investment on both emails and ads. Now, for every dollar spent on email, you get at least an average of $36 spent for email. You get $36 back, right? While for ads, for every dollar spent, you get $4. So if we're given the option to do emails and do ads, the wait is waiting, right? Now for number two, let's look at social media and email, right? For social media, you don't own your followers, you don't own the platform. That's one. Two, your content all depends on where the algorithm will push it. So if you post the content now, right, it's up to the algorithm to decide who to share it to. It can show your followers, it can also take it beyond, but it's up to the algorithm to decide whether it's going to show other people, right? But your email, you decide when you want to, give your audience or your subscribers, the news or whatever it is going on, whatever it is you want to share to them, the value. Unlike social media, you don't own your followers, you don't own the platform. The algorithm making or the platform can decide to just swallow your account, block it, and that's it. Yeah, but not with email. You can decide to keep, mailing them, right? Or you can decide to stop, and that's it. And the last reason why you want to go for email marketing is because email is where the buying decision happens. And one of the things that tops it is like personalization, because unlike social media where you can generalize it, like when you're showing it to people, with email, you're talking to one person, right? Even though you're writing for 1,000 of people, it's getting read by one person at a time. That's it with email marketing. Now, onto the blueprint to use, right, for your business, for your brand, if you're an entrepreneur. Number one is to build an email list. This is like the basic, this is like one of the basic things to do, right? You want to sell through email, build your email list, right? And there are several ways that you can do this, right? People buy lists, but it's not advisable, right? One of the popular ways you can do it is to get like a lead magnet that you can use to attract people, and you want to make sure that the lead magnet that you're using is actually something they need or something they want, right? And the types of lead magnets you can use, there are ebooks, there are free guides, there are checklists, there is discount code, right, amongst others. Another way to build your list, still using the lead magnet, is by putting it on a landing page where they will get to see it and decide whether they want to go for it. Building your email list too is like they are giving you their email, you are giving them value. So it's a win-win on both sides, right? You are getting their email, they are getting what it is that you are offering. That's like the lead magnet. Now, number two, choose the right platform. Yeah, it's very key. Choose a platform that will help you to send those emails, right? And there are few beginner-friendly platforms that you can choose. There is Mailchimp. I mean, it's very popular. There is Mailchimp. There is Breville. There is ConvertKit. There is Klaviyo, amongst others. And with these platforms, we want to look out for important features like automations, segmentations, A/B testing, in case you want to test some things with your email. Maybe you want to test the subject line and see the ones that get opened fast. If you're enjoying so far, comment below what you've gotten and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, right? Now let's move on to number three, and it is create a welcome sequence. Now, Like I said, you don't always want to sell with your emails like every time. If you don't want to appear salesy and you don't want your subscribers to not read your emails anymore, you want to create a email sequence. And with this email sequence, you want to, with this welcome email sequence actually, you want to build a relationship with them, get them to know you, because there's something called the KLT factor, that's the know, like, and trust. So you want them to know you want them to like you, and you want them to trust you enough to buy from you. So with your welcome sequence, you want them to actually like you, so to the point of trusting you. With your welcome email sequence, it can be 3 to 5, right, depending on what you want your subscribers to know, or how much you want them to know about you before moving to trusting you and buying from you, right? So number 4, you want to send emails consistently. Yes, consistently. There is something called like email calendar, like for a month, right? Where you decide, okay, maybe every week they get 3 emails from you, right? Or maybe every week they get emails from you every day, right? You want to make that known in your welcome sequence, right? So they can know what to expect from you, how often they will hear from you. Right now, your emails does not always have to be, oh, come and buy, come and buy, come and buy, because it will start screaming like desperation, and you don't want that, because you can chase people off your list. The unsubscribe button is there. You just ping, and they are out already. So you want to send email consistently, and there are different types of emails that you can send. One, value email, right? When you are giving them value, teaching them, right? You don't have to sell when you're teaching them. There is story email, where you use maybe one of your customer or your own personal story to relate with them, right? And there is also like sales email, right? You're selling there, but not every time that you send this email. Then number 5, you want to track and improve, right? You don't just want to send email blindly. You want to see what it is that is working. You want to track your open rates. You want to know how much they open your email, right? You want to track your click-through rate, right? So as to know what to, like, okay, let's work on the subject line, let's work on the city, let's work on the body. So the analytics to look out for: the open rates, the click-through rates, conversions, amongst others too. So remember, build your email lists, very important. Choose the right platform, also very important. Create a welcome sequence. Send emails consistently, very important. And track and improve on what is working and what's not working. So that is it. If you found this video very helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next week with another video. Until then, I'm Olamide. Bye for now.